Alright, so we're here in Vail, Colorado. My name is Nick Latham and I'm with Wander, and we're going to be building basically a huge gate, and then we're going to be craning in a hot tub right on top of it. So right now we're at Home Depot and we're going to pick up all of our lumber, our materials, and then we're going to get rolling on it. 1, 2, 3 rows, 8 times 3.4. Alright, so right here is what we're building. Right now we're getting what you see in these small yellow lines. This is all of our lumber. These are going to be 2x6 pressure treated. Because we're out here in Colorado, we got a lot of snow, a lot of weather, and we're working outside. So we're going to use pressure treated lumber to make sure that we don't end up with rot or anything after that. So we're going to spend a little more money. We're going to go a little bigger than a 2x4, but it's going to make it so this thing's bulletproof. It's going to last forever. We are at Wander Vail Valley out in Vail, Colorado, and we've got a fun project going on. So we're going to be putting a hot tub up on the roof of our garage on this property. You can see the railing all the way up top on the second floor up there. We're going to try to mimic that exact look, keep that perfect Wander aesthetic in the whole property. Alright, so right here we've got our plans for Vail Valley. This is our garage right here, and this is where we're going to be building our railing. We're going to start off by dropping in our framing right here. The framing is going to be pressure treated lumber 2x6s, just like this. After that, it's all going to get anchored down right here. Our anchors are going to come straight through with Tapcons and 3/8 anchors, and they're going to come through our bottom plate and into our concrete foundation. And then after everything's mounted with the framing, that's when we get to come in and we're going to put on our cladding, which is siding in this case. That's going to come all around just like this to match upstairs, and it's going to get painted that same color. And that's how we're going to keep our structure and our aesthetic.
Try to leave 32 inches over here, see? Yeah. Okay. Tyler. Alright, so what we're doing here is getting power up to the hot tub. We're going to throw 2 circuits up there. One's going to control the lights. There's going to be a switch with wireless capabilities. We're going to have 2 wireless switches inside at each doorway that'll take you out to the hot tub. We're also going to have the disconnect mounted upstairs. It's going to be GFI protected up there about 6 feet away from the hot tub. And there's going to be 2 conduit runs. So they're both going to come up here and kind of follow each other and just go across the ceiling and out of the garage. And then they'll go across that wall.
saying if I can push on it. All right, we're out here on our project on day 4. We've got our framing all up. We're starting to put in some of our siding. I've called out my little brother from Boulder, Colorado. He's gonna help us out with getting the rest of this siding up. Patrick's working on the electrical. Charlie's doing Charlie. Does that work for you?
So free.
Sponsored. You guys are so trained.
You know,
He's gonna jump down.
if we sacrifice an egg, I think they eat eggs.
What? He's looking out like the jump on you food. I don't want to jump down.
Dude, that is a different one.
Yeah. You wanna let me in? He knows about to release a wolf pack in this area. He's gonna drop one of those pretty much slurpy guys.
All right, I'll open it just a little.
He's a carnivore, dude. I don't think he likes the
He's
grill.
an opportunist, man. Tell you what.
Alright, go.
Alright, so what we're doing now is taking off the head that we built up. All the wires are already marked. That's our black. We've got a red and a green in here and a neutral already marked. So finishing touches. We'll just throw these, hook these up right here. Hook them up to the disconnect on the other side, and that'll be it for the hot tub. Day 6, Vail hot tub. We're painting, putting a light switch in a receptacle, and that's a wrap. 6 days. I've seen jobs like this take 2 months, even worse if it's some sort of hang up, but not for Wander. We gotta get it done.
Thank you.